Hi there, I'm here again, and today we're gonna talk about MVC architecture pattern. And I asked some questions about it and what is it, how's it work, and how we implement it in our projects. And to remember, in the past class we talked about we create a hello world using Node.js and Express. And in this class, the main idea was introduce a little about the Node, how you create a new project. And today I have plans to explain about the MVC architecture. And first of all, so I will draw the architecture to you and I will explain about the points, okay? Basically, basically here we have our application. Imagine this is our application, okay? It's all the general vision of our applications. Application, application, okay? And if we are using MVC architecture, we need to have 3 points. The first is controller. Oh, sorry. Okay, controller. And we need to have model, model, and we need to have view. View, okay. Control Z, view. Okay. I have a point about it because we are developing a backend application and we don't have a view interface in our application, so we can't need to use it, okay? But I will talk about it and I will explain to you what is it, okay? Imagine you have the client here. Is a client, is a computer. Okay, this is a computer. And the first point that your client in the web access is the controller here. And as in the same point, you send information and you receive information, okay? And after that, your controller need to manage the request. And sorry, here we need to have a database, okay? Database is not good, but database here. Okay, it's a like a database. Ah, not good, but I'm developer. I'm not artist. So, and when controller receive a request, they handle the request. And for example, I need to have a database information. Controller handle it to model, and the model is the unique point that have access the database. Okay, and if you have a files 8ml files or JSP files, you need to redirect after you receive the model. The controller needs to send the information loaded by in model, okay, and send the request to view, and uh, view it will be responsible to draw the 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 user view, okay. If you already worked with PHP or Java has JSP files, okay? And in this case, you need to put the JSP files inside the view, okay? But now we are talking about our projects, okay? So how I told before, we don't need to have view because our application doesn't have an visualization, okay? We just return JSON response to the front end application, and the front end application, it will be responsible to manage the information and to handle the information to user. Okay, and okay, uh, other observation is you will be able to make some changes in this architecture. Okay, I like to work in this way. Okay, after that, you are wondering what I pass it to my application. Okay, and I will answer you right now. Okay, this is the boilerplate that we created on the past class, and I will create some packages inside source folder to represent the concept. Okay. Uh, okay. First, we need to create controller folder or package. Okay. And we need to create a model. And how I told you before, it's is to connect our application with database and to manage it. But I like to create other folders in this structure to become the application more organized, okay? Like config folder to put the configuration about we are using. For example, database configuration, cache configuration, exceptions configuration, and other information. And I like to create a util folder. It's to put useful classes to help the application to work well. And I like to have service package, and I create every business logic inside here. Okay, and this is the basic about the MVC concept and how it's work. We need to have a controller, and of each controller we need to have a service. Okay, and if my service needs to have information about in the database, we need to have a model. Okay, so it's all that I want to explain to you in this video, and in the next class we will implement some classes here. Okay, thank you for watching.